Hey boys and girls, how are you today? I hope you had a happy Mother's Day and did some special things with your mom yesterday. Let's look at our calendar. Do you remember what month we're in? That's right, May. Let's spell it together. Capital M-A-Y, May. Only 3 letters in that word. Yesterday was Sunday, May the 10th. Do you know what number comes after 10? Let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yesterday was Sunday. What comes after Sunday? Sunday, Monday. So today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. We're making a pattern with our calendar tags. We have red, blue, blue, red, blue, blue, red, blue, blue, red, blue. What will the number be tomorrow? What kind of pattern is that making, friends? Yellow, blue, blue. Would that be A, B, B? I believe that's an A, B, B pattern. Let's look at a couple of our popcorn words that we did last week. W-H-O spells who. Who is your friend? Who? A-L-L spells all. We are all together. All. Maybe I should say, I wish we were all together. All. And then put. P-U-T. Put. Did you put your toys away? We've got 3 more words for this week. Y-O-U-R. Your. Where is your house? Your. We have the word into. I-N-T-O. Into. Did you put your folder into the basket? Into. And then we have the word U-P, up. U-P, up. What do you see up in the sky? Today, friends, we are going to look at our coins, and I have a math problem for us. So, let's look at our coins first. This first one, do you remember what coin that is? It's a penny. It's kind of brown. Abraham Lincoln is on the first, and the Lincoln, or is on the front, excuse me, and on the back is the Lincoln Memorial. So this is penny. And how much is the penny worth? That's right, 1 cent. This is the nickel. The nickel is silver. It's a little bit bigger than the penny. Do you remember who is on the front of the nickel? Thomas Jefferson. His home is on the back, Monticello. A nickel is worth 5 cents. The next coin is a dime. Roosevelt is on the dime, on the front of the dime. The dime is smaller in size than the nickel, but it's worth more. It's worth 10 cents. And then down here, we have the quarter. You remember which president was on the quarter? George Washington, our first president, is on the quarter. An eagle One of the symbols of our country is on the back, and it's worth 25 cents. So penny, nickel, dime, quarter. I'm going to take our poster off here so that we can look at our math question for today. So, friends, go ahead and grab a piece of paper, something you can work on to help me figure out our math question. As I read it, I want you to be thinking, is this an adding sentence or is this a taking away sentence? There were 8 pandas looking for bamboo in the woods. Pandas are bears, and that's what you're going to be reading about in your ELA story. I'll talk about that in just a minute. 4 pandas found some bamboo and went home. How many pandas were still in the woods? So what do you think? There were 8, 4 found some and went home, and it's asking us how many were still left. Are we adding or are we taking away? You're right, we're taking away. So if we start with 8, I'm just going to draw circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's my 8 pandas. Now I'm going to write my number 8. Make an S and close the gate. 4 of my pandas found some and they went home. How do we show that? Do you remember if something's going away or leaving? That's right, we X them out. So I'm going to X out 4 of them to show myself that 4 went away. Now what was that symbol for subtraction? What is that symbol? That's right, just a straight line across. That is your subtraction symbol. And how many did we take away? I hope you said 4. Do you remember how to write an equal sign? So we've got 8 pandas minus 4 pandas equals how many pandas are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your equation is 8 minus 4 equals 4. Boys and girls, there's a video on the YouTube channel called Giant Pandas. If you'll get your ELA packet out that you picked up at school or maybe you printed it off and find that story, Giant Pandas, a teacher will read that to you. You can follow along and then you can answer the questions at the end. We'll be doing some more learning about pandas this week. So join us back another day. Have a great day. See you soon.